Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD Z71 in black. This truck is powered by a 6.6 liter DURAMAX turbo diesel engine, paired with a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the second row, as well as heating and ventilation in the front row. The interior is finished in jet black. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, media and volume control, and a heated steering wheel option. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for high beams, your gear shifter, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you can find your controls for heads-up display, drive mode, headlights, and your parking brake. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver and passenger seats. As we jump inside, we can take a look at the heads-up display, as well as in the center of the dash, your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Apps. Below, you'll find your climate controls, as well as your trailer brake settings. Here, you will also find 2 USB ports and your settings for heated and ventilated seats in the front row. The center column features loads of room for storage, and the center console features more room for storage, 2 USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and a 12-volt charging port. Throughout the vehicle, you'll find Bose speakers delivering crisp audio throughout. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these bright front headlights, along with the chrome front grille and bumper. Below, you'll find black recovery hooks. This Silverado sits on aluminum wheels. Along the side of the exterior, you'll notice plenty of chrome options, such as door handles, window edges, and mirrors. As we head to the back, with the cargo bed, you'll notice assist steps on all corners of the cargo bed, as well as on that chrome rear bumper. With the touch of a button, we can release the power tailgate, showcasing the spacious cargo area, equipped with spray-on bed liner, preventing you from dings and scratches. On the right-hand side, you'll find a 120-volt charging port, as well as one of 2 LED lights. As we jump into the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, heated seats, 2 USB ports, 2 cup holders in the back of the center console, and pull-down cup holders in the center seat. These seats feature in-seat storage, as well as storage below the seats, as they are split in a 60-40 bench fashion. Behind these rear seats, you'll find a power rear window. Above, you can take a look at the power sunroof, allowing sunlight into the entire vehicle. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD in black, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.